Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 soldering station. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Soldering Station. The Yihua 948 4-in-1 Intelligent Soldering Station is an excellent all-around tool for professional electronics work. It combines a hot air gun, soldering iron, suction tin gun, and suction pen in one compact unit. The digital temperature control ensures accuracy, while its fast heating and strong suction make desoldering effortless. Ideal for SMD repair and circuit board maintenance, this station offers reliability and versatility. A perfect choice for technicians seeking efficiency and precision in their soldering tasks. Number 2. Soldering Station. The Yofuli 750W Hot Air Soldering Station 8786D is a reliable 2-in-1 rework station. Ideal for electronic repairs. It combines a powerful hot air gun and precise soldering iron, making it perfect for SMD desoldering and soldering tasks. With fast heat-up time, adjustable temperature control, and clear digital display, it ensures efficiency and accuracy. The compact design and ESD-safe construction add convenience and safety, making it a great choice for both hobbyists and professional technicians. Number 3. Soldering Station. The 750W8586 2-in-1 Digital ESD Hot Air Gun Soldering Station is a powerful and efficient tool for electronics repair and SMD rework. Its digital temperature control ensures precise heat settings, while the ESD-safe design protects sensitive components. The 2-in-1 functionality combines a hot air gun and soldering iron for versatile use. Heating is fast and stable, making it suitable for both professional technicians and hobbyists. A great value for reliable soldering and desoldering tasks at 220 volts. Number 4. Soldering Station. The Yihua 862D++ Soldering Iron Hot Air 2-in-1 Rework Station delivers solid value with its combined soldering iron and hot air gun, great for SMD and phone repair work. The auto manual mode adds flexibility, letting you switch between presets and fine-tune manually. Users report it does the job well for hobbyists. On the flip side, it lacks high-end power for thick boards, and some safety wiring quirks have been flagged. Number 5. Soldering Station. The JCD 8586D Soldering Station is a versatile 2-in-1 tool, combining a hot air gun and soldering iron, perfect for SMD rework and general soldering tasks. Its dual digital displays provide precise temperature control for both tools, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. The 10-minute sleep mode helps conserve energy and extend tip life. With fast heating, stable performance, and user-friendly controls, this station is ideal for electronics hobbyists and technicians seeking a reliable and affordable rework solution. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.